Hey guys, I'm Gabriella and we are heading off to the studio now in New Jersey. I'm the model for today. We're doing a denim fashion story for an editorial.
And I am the photographer of today. I like this idea of having them doing the introduction, makes it easier and probably the information gets top notch because my English is whatever it is. Today's video it's how to make an editorial when it's freezing.
So cold out.
So if we survive, we'll let you know. Otherwise, this is the last video of myself. Bye. Bye. We're gonna have a total of 8 looks, and the story is denim story. It's beautiful. Outfit are amazing. I'll show you later when we tow ourselves. Do you say tow? The frost?
Oh.
Tow?
Oh, thaw.
Thaw. Okay. When we thaw ourselves. I mean, when we congelate ourselves. We got here safe. It's warmer in this beautiful building, and here the rest of the team. We got Marcia, she's the styling today. Then we got Nicolette. Hi. She's the hairstylist today. Then we got Evie. She's the makeup artist today. And then we got, and you already know, the model today, Gabriella. And then your preferred photographer. Whatever, preferred. Okay. The denim story idea of today was Marcia's idea. She's gonna explain.
Hi.
Yeah.
So I saw this book. It's all about denim. And I just fell in love. It's a classic that is always on trend and always reinventing. It's beautiful. I love denim.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
You can do it in so many different styles. You can style it so many different ways that you can be cool, elegant, whatever you want with denim.
What's gonna be today idea for the makeup?
We're thinking of starting with natural makeup and then build from there. Maybe add a pop of red lips.
Okay.
So for hair with denim, it's super trendy and super fun. So I think we could start out with something textured and natural and very lived-in hair, and then we could kind of build the style up into a more trendy, more sleeker look to kind of show off the more embellished denim pieces that Marcia has picked out for today.
Wonderful.
I wanted more pins, but I don't have more pins.
Okay.
Styling, maybe doing something like this.
Sleek all of this in the front here, right? Bring this down. And then we could really texture out the bottom of her hair, but keep this top super flat. So it kind of complements the chaos in the buttons, you know? So it's sleek, but has that. You know, we can open up the
denim does all the work. It's so stylish, so intense that we don't need a lot of things. Just few earrings, necklace, and some scarves too to complement the denim.
Say it right. So Gabri.
It's not working.
This is gonna look too big.
Yeah. You may not be able to move.
What do you mean?
I like this on you. It looks so cute.
Yeah.
Say it.
Yeah.
And one more longer than the other.
Cool. You know the jungle has its rules, and I just try to keep it cool, and I'll be treated like a tool. So don't be acting like a fool. Look at you sobbing like a moon, tryna get everybody's cool. Go ahead and drop into the pool. It might just be the time for you to do better for yourself. Do better for yourself. Do better for yourself. yourself. So, are you afraid of letting go? Life's a kind of cookie dough, and you could try to eat it slow, but you could miss it out. So dig right in. Does that didn't work out though? Come on, let me see you go. Don't you be walking around so low. Are you too afraid to grow? You forgot that you're amazing. Do better for yourself. Do better for yourself.